In this video, we're going to go over a side hustle that you can use to earn an additional $100 per day. And this is something that I was doing when I needed additional money after work. I used this a lot when I knew nothing about affiliate marketing, online marketing, offline marketing. I wasn't doing anything with that. And this helped me to bring an extra $1,000 to $3,000 every single month. For those that don't know, mystery shopping is real. Not only that, if you can follow simple directions and make phone calls, you can also earn a substantial amount of money doing that as well. And I'm going to show you some of the mystery shops that I've used, the places that I've went to that are legitimate. They pay. Until this day, they still send me information about the shops that are available in my center, my area. So what I'm going to do is go to my email and give you guys the information. And if you want, you can apply to become a mystery shopper and actually start earning some additional funds on top of, wherever it is that you work. So the information that I would like to share with you is from this place called, it's for iShop for IPSOS, okay? And it's a mystery shopping agency that pays you to go out and do mystery shops. And what they do is they give you the information as far as where they want you to go, what they want you to do, and how much they're going to pay you. And this is one of those places that if you do enough of them, you can make a ton of money. I was involved with about 7 different mystery shopping agencies that allowed me to bring in $1,000 to $3,000 a month, depending on how much time I had. And honestly, it was enough to leave my full-time job if I wanted to, but I just used it as additional income. So if you look at this information here, it pretty much breaks down where the shop, where they want you to perform the mystery shop, the locations that are available. You can pretty much go down to your state and just view the information. And then what you can do is there's a quick login button that can take you right to the website to get more information. So here, what I'm gonna do is just put in password. Let's see what happens here. Okay, and this is what the site looks like. So all you have to do is click here to become a mystery shopper, and then they're going to give you all of the different mystery shops that's available in your area. And again, sometimes you may have just 1 or 2 mystery shops that's available per day, or sometimes I had about 5 to 7 mystery shops that was available within a week with one company. And that's why what I'm going to do is over the next week and a half or 2, I'm going to go over the legitimate mystery shopping sites that you can become a part of. And once you start doing mystery shops with all of them, you are now earning pretty much a full-time income for most people. So this is the name. This is what the website looks like. They have an FAQ here. If you want to find out more about the company, you can go there. And again, you sign up here to become a mystery shopper. But I just wanted to show you guys this because, as you can see, I haven't been doing this for years, but they still send me different mystery shops that's available in my area. I am in the New York area. And if I wanted to, I can go down to the city and do a ton of these shops because all of these areas is close to a location that I'm familiar with. So this is really an easy way to make some additional income. I'm going to tell you guys about some phone interviews you can take and get paid from. You can go to different malls and get paid to shop at different stores. They reimburse you for the money that you spend on top of doing the mystery shop. There's a lot of places that do movie theaters. I even have some places that you can actually go to, like Disney on Ice and places like that, and they reimburse you for your ticket and pay you for participating. So This is a great way to make some additional income if you are in need of additional income and you just want to, get your feet wet. I would definitely take a look at mystery shops. Now, an FYI, there are some mystery shops out there that are not legitimate. You should not have to pay for a mystery shop. That's not how it works. You submit your information, they pay you, you do your 1099 at the end of the year where you claim the money that you made, and that's the way it works. But you should not be paying anything out of pocket when you are looking to do a mystery shop. So please keep that in mind. So if you've gotten some value out of this video and you want to see other videos that talks about different mystery shop opportunities, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified of any future videos that I do about any of the businesses that I'm involved in or have been in the past. So thanks so much for viewing this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.